Hello students, today we are going to start our new lesson, that is MS Access. MS Access is an application software of MS Office package. MS Office is a package of software provided by Microsoft which contains many application softwares such as MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint, MS Access, Front Page and Outlook. MS Word is a word processor which helps us to create the document. MS Excel is an electronic spreadsheet which help us to create a worksheet in which we can perform mathematical calculations. MS PowerPoint help us to create an electronic presentation, and MS Access is a relational database management system. Front Page is the application software which help us to create the web pages without knowing the HTML, and Microsoft Outlook is a software which help us to keep the contact and addresses of the people. So we are starting with MS Access. As I have told you earlier, MS Access is a relational database management system. So before starting the MS Access, first we have a look on the topic, what is a database. Database is a place where we store data. Database are of two types. First is flat file database and another is relational database. Flat file database, the database which contains the data in no particular order, are known as flat file database. In flat file database, data is organized in the form of pages. Means you can organize the data according to your requirement. There is no specific format to organize the data. Another is relational database management system, that is RDBMS. In relational databases, data is organized in the form of relation. Relation means table. So a relational database organizes the data in the form of table. MS Access is one of the example of relational database management system with a GUI interface. Other example of relational database management system are MySQL, SQL Server, Oracle, Sybase, etc. These all are relational database management system. That is, data is organized in the form of relation. Relation means table. Now the question is that why we require a database to organize the data, or we can say that what are the benefits of using a database to maintain a data. Some of the benefits of database are, it removes data redundancy. Redundancy means data duplicacy, which means that you can remove the duplicate data. Means if you are maintaining a data in an organized way, then there will not be chance to duplicate the data. Another is data consistency. Data consistency refers to continuity of the data. Means whatever data you are storing at one place, that is referred as consistency of the data. Another benefit of maintaining the data is sharing of the data. If you are maintaining a data in proper database, then you can easily share the data. For example, if you are maintaining a copy of a particular subject and if a person asks you to provide the data of that particular subject, then you can easily provide the copy to that person. So the biggest benefit is sharing of data. Another advantage of maintaining the data is data security. If you are maintaining the data in a proper organized way, then your data is secure. Means there is less chance of data loss, and you can provide a security measure to access the data by the authorized people. So these are the some of the advantages of a database. Now, in continuation of the database, first we should know what are the objects which are available in a database. Object of MS Access database are table, form, query and report. Table. Table is a collection of rows and columns in which data is organized to form a particular table. Data of each, we can say the record of each table can be identified through a unique column that is referred as primary key. Another object is form. Form is used to take the input from the user. We can say that form is an interactive interface between user and a database. Basically, forms are used to get the information from the user so that the details given by the user can be organized in a proper way. Query. Query means questionnaire. Means if we want to access the data from a table, then you can access by making the query from the table. On the basis of query, the data will be retrieved from the database and that will be displayed to the user. And the last object is report. Report is a summary of the database. It is a bird eye view of the data which is present in the database. Means if we want to display the summary of the data which is present in a table, then that can be done with the help of creating the reports. Reports are printable, so you can print the reports on the paper also. So let us summarize once more. Database is a place where we store the data. Basically, database are of two types: flat file and the relational database. Flat file database contains the data in no particular order, and the relational database contains the data in the form of a table. MS Access is an example of relational database management system with a GUI interface. Objects of MS Access are form, table, query, report. Form is the interactive interface between user and database. It is used to gather the information from the user, and whatever the information is entered by the user, we can save it in the table. Table is a collection of rows and columns which are used to organize the data in proper order. Query is the statement. On the basis of that, you can retrieve the data from the database. And report is the summary of the database which can be printed on the paper. We can say that report is an bird eye view, that is a small view of entire data which is present in the table. Thank you.